today. Okay, so I will attach this plant to the wall so it look a lot better. Because of the small stems, that's why you need to wait the soil in the pot is really dry and then you can water again. Because too much water, this plant is easy to get rot. Those falling branches, I'm gonna put up everything in the pot for propagation. You can water those branches after a week, so for now you don't need to water. So this is after a month. It look more prettier.